Hi, it's Ros Loxton here from Your Star of Confidence Coaching. And I just wanted to talk to you quickly about the Power Workshop, which in the past I had called the Focus and Clarity Workshop. So this is a 2-hour workshop. Depending on what's going on for you, we may need to stretch it out to be a 3-hour workshop. But in this, we actually, just address what's going on for you at the moment. And it's really like a turbo workshop where we get together face to face and we work out where you're at, what's going on for you, what are you feeling, what sort of things are you holding in your body, and what is showing up for you out in your life, in terms of in your relationship, perhaps in your career space, in your social space, even in your health space, in your finances. We really take a look at what patterns are showing up and what life is showing up for you at the moment. And then we do the work. We go down and do the groundwork to address what's holding it there. What is it that you're doing with your own energetic setup and with your own belief systems, whether or not you're conscious of it. We go in there and we reboot that system. We reboot that subconscious system that you're operating with, that sometimes just, it's a bit like a computer. It needs to have a clean out. Sometimes you need to clear your cache and your cookies and reboot and restart. It's kind of like that, if I could use that analogy. And so there's a lot involved, and of course there's a lot that we can do when it comes to our subconscious and our mindset. In a few hours, we can really achieve quite big results, because really what you do in your mind is so powerful, and that can work for us or it can work against us. And sometimes we can get a little bit off track and we can start to, get into a little bit of groundhog and do the same thing each day, and stop noticing some of the internal dialogue that we're holding, some of the energies and the beliefs that we're holding on to, which keeps bringing things into our world that perhaps we don't really want. So it's a really exciting workshop in that you start to shine a spotlight on what you're doing that you weren't conscious of, and then we reboot that and rejig that, reset how you're holding those beliefs and those thoughts. Sometimes we need to remove some limiting patterns or programs or beliefs that have become a fundamental part of what's going on and for you, and what's kind of being the boss and calling the shots. So there's a lot that we do in this workshop, and of course it's one workshop. So we can't cure the entire world, but man, we can really get some shifts for you. We can really, get you out of what might seem like you're spinning your wheels, or you're in a bit of a rut and you're starting to lose your mojo and maybe feel like you're in a bit of a funk as well. Some people, it may have gotten to that point. But be excited, because you are so powerful. And like I said, we can use that power, unfortunately, to kind of take us to somewhere that isn't really great emotionally and physically, and what we bring into our world. Or we can take that power that we've got and we can do really amazing things with that. And we can just see a whole new set of things that are around us now that we can't see. So it's exciting. And it's, a look into how I work and how I can support you. And I really invite you to take the time to make that small investment of, time and money. It's an exchange that we will have, a value exchange. And I guarantee you that the value that I'll bring to you will far outweigh the value in money or time that you need to invest in yourself to do this power workshop. So either click on, make an email, send an email to me and just reach out so I can start to lock you in a time. And we'll start that way. So I really look forward to meeting you soon. And I hope you feel inspired to get in there and do a reboot and, to rejig things and start to get your mojo back, get your power back, get your, your excitement back and your focus back and some clarity back, so that you can really make some lovely changes in your life. I really look forward to meeting you soon.